In this video, I will be demonstrating and talking about our single cap rivets, or they're also called rapid rivets. These rivets are extremely popular and highly functional because they are great for binding materials together, but also they make for great embellishing, great decoration. As you can see, here is a single cap rivet, and this is the 12 millimeter. It consists of the cap and also the post, which has the unfinished backing. Now, first what you would need to do is make your hole in your material. I have my hole punch die in this machine. I am using the 2.5. I find that ideal for the post diameter size. So what I would be doing is first making my hole. And I just have a little tip, and this is a great tip for not only the hole punch dies, but also for the rivet dies. If you are not getting a complete hole, or if your rivet seems loose, unscrew the top die a bit, and then re-punch or reset your rivet. This is not a tip to use when you are setting the clawed studs, as the top die needs to be very secure, very sturdy, and screwed all the way atop. So that is just a little tip for using the hole punch dies, the rivet dies, and also the NOSA. Now, we have many different sizes for these single cap rivets, and they are very, very easy to set using the hand press machine and also the dies. We have all different sizes available. We have from 3 millimeter to 10 millimeter available, and we also have an extra large, which is the 12 millimeter for these single cap rivets. So in this machine, I have my 4 millimeter single cap rivet die, and as you can see right here, I will just set out so you can see how small the 4 millimeter is, and we even have the 3 millimeter, so it gets even smaller than that. They are very, very small. I would find it almost impossible to set these by hand, as they're really, really small. This die and machine makes them very easy to use. So what I am going to do is just taking my post through the hole that I made, and I would say either the 2.5, or you could even use the 2 when you are the 2 millimeter hole punch when you are making the holes for the 3 and 4 millimeter, because they are so small. Now I have my post through my hole, and I'm just going to take the cap and place it on top. And this is really a great thing because the cap will snap on top. It's loose because the rivet is not yet set, but it will stay on top so that you can put it into your machine. And just, you want the cap to go in the bottom part of the die. The post will face up, and press down securely on the handle, and you have set your rivet. Now, this set perfectly the first time. It is not loose at all, but again, keep in mind my tip of loosening and unscrewing a bit the top die if you need to reset it, if it is not secure enough for you. Now I would like to demonstrate the extra large, the 12 millimeter, which I have here. And as you can see here, I have 3 different sizes out right now. As you can see, this is the base of the 4 millimeter die. I have the 7 millimeter right here, and the 12 millimeter. So you can see the different variations in the sizes. And like I said, we have 3 millimeter through 10 millimeter and the 12 millimeter available. So there's a lot of different sizes to choose from. Again, I would just be putting the die in my machine. And you want to make your hole in your material. I'm going with the 2.5 hole punch for setting the 12 millimeter. And I got a great hole, perfect size for what I'm going to do. And then just placing my post, and my cap goes right on top, and it'll stay nicely. It will take no time at all to get into a rhythm of setting these rivets. Do not struggle with setting them. You can see, perfect. Do not set these and struggle with setting these by hand anymore. This is very quick, very easy. You can really increase your productivity if you are producing a mass amount of projects. So you can get a lot accomplished in a very short amount of time. And there's so many sizes to choose from. Like I said, with the smaller rivets, it would be almost impossible. I've been doing this for a very long time, and it would be almost impossible to set them by hand. So this is a great way to do it. Very quick, very easy. Now this machine and all of the interchangeable dies, which we have many, we also have the double caps available, which the double caps will give you a finished look. They also have the cap on the back. So we have those dies available along with these single caps. We have grommets. This is an all-in-one tool. It will set snaps, grommets, eyelets, rivets, studs. You can really get the most out of it just using one tool for all your projects. And we also have the noses in. So this is all available at Minkus Margo on eBay and Etsy. Thank you for watching.